Hey everybody, Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by Payne Auto Group Valley-Wide and PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want, look at us regardless. We're here at Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, and this is the new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland 4x4. Oh yeah, you can tell it's a Jeep. Those 7 slots right here on the front grille, 7 continents, that's right. You can see the stance, it looks awesome, chromed out towing hooks right here on the front. You can see the height. We'll talk about that in a second. Underneath the hood is that venerable 3.6 liter V6 that comes from Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. You'll find it in a lot of their vehicles. Puts out 300 horsepower, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission for both smooth shifting, driving, and getting that wonderful mileage it does. It's in a black diamond metallic. I love it. We're rolling on some 20-inch wheels wrapped in Bridgestones, and she looks great. And on the inside, it gets even better. Oh, where do I begin? Let's go ahead and start with right there. That is the Macintosh sound system, almost 1,000 watts. There's 10 speakers in here, including a subwoofer. It's low distortion, high performance. No matter if it's classical music to classic rock and metal, it's going to sound awesome. You can see it has a full digital driver's information display, 10-inch screen on the center stack there. Yes, it has built-in nav, all your controls, also ride height adjustment for both on and off road. Leather inside, it's beautiful. I love it. Let's go into the back here. We have twin captain's chairs. Also, you'll see more of that Macintosh sound system. It's got USB 2 and 3. The rear seats are heated. I mean, this thing is awesome. It's got so many features in it. It is both a looker and she looks good, and it performs just like a Jeep should. Alrighty, and not to mention, it gets 25 miles to the gallon on the highway. We're going to come back here. Here comes the lift gate. Now you notice, we'll get to that in a second. Here comes that lift gate. Plenty of more stuff back here. You can actually adjust and hold this to set the height of your lift gate, but also we can sit here and put down the 3rd row push button. Oh yeah, USB 2 and 3 along here, and also air. That's right, rear air on the C pillar right there. How convenient. And 12-volt audio here. And if you need to put down those two, guess what? Blam, there they go. Plenty of more cargo room in the back. And don't forget, yes, that receiver hitch with a 4-prong and round connector here, 6,200 pound of towing capacity on this new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland L right here at Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, the home of 5-star experience, over 35 financial lenders, and hassle-free approval. Don't forget about 72-hour exchange, price match guarantee, and on our pre-owned vehicles, and an available certified pre-owned warranty like any other Payne Auto Group dealership valley-wide, a part of the PayneAutoGroup.com family, where we have what you want. Look at us regardless.